Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I know that it's been a couple days since I've done a video. I've had company for Thanksgiving. I hope you all had a lovely Thanksgiving and I am back at it. So I finished a new digital kit that I just had to share with you, even though this is going to be a super quick video. I did want to show you what it looked like printed out. It is already in my shop awaiting you. You can get it digitally or you can get it printed out and mailed to you if you don't have a printer. So here we go. This is called Lavender in Lace. The two main inspirations for this are actually three. There's a new Etsy shop I bought some clip art from. I don't remember I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I will have it linked below, but also Avalon Rose Design. Thank you for giving me the lace overlays and clip arts. And then also for Digital Curio for giving me a lot of lavender type backgrounds, as well as some lace and pearls. There's a few other design elements I used, but that'll all be in the description box below. Let's get into it. This is a bigger kit than I normally do. There are 12 journal pages. That means folded in half, there are 24 different ones. And they're not just lavender, they're like lavender colored. So this one goes pretty much with my Pretty in Purple kit. It's a great mega add-on kit for that one. So if you haven't bought the Pretty in Purple kit, you're gonna wanna buy that one too. That one is 50% off through Monday because all my digitals are. This is a new one, so this will not be part of the sale, but the Pretty in Purple one will be. So you might wanna grab that one if you haven't. So here's this gorgeous page here, and I love how you can write so easily on this side. And then there's this one, lots of ribbons and bows. Here's like a vintage, this is from the Old Design Shop. I didn't use much from hers, but this I picked up. It's a beautiful, like it's a lavender type perfume thing. So pretty. I tried to do pages you could write on. I love this purple ledger. Look at that cute, this is from Pixel Scrapper. Adorable little needlework there. Lovely, lovely. Look at these gorgeous frames from Avalon Rose Design. Like, it's like a doily lace frame. So pretty. So there's this one, and that one looks really pretty folded in half because you have this side, and then this side, you have it on this side. And then this is, we have some vintage lavender here, and then this is some of that clip art that I purchased. Really good price. It was only like $2 for the set of lavender clip art. It's not sponsored by them. They didn't give me anything. I just found it and I really liked it. It's only $2 for the set. So here's lavender seeds all in the background and then a doily over the front. So I thought when you fold it in half, it would look like you had a doily as a page. So how cute is that? And then there's this one. Just really pretty. So, like this background would be Digital Curio, part of it. Of course, I'm doing layers and all that kind of stuff. So pretty. A little bit of faux stitching here if you can see that. Here's that one of that watercolor right there. Here's a good background page. So pretty. And this one, I love how this one came out. It's like a vintage handkerchief, lace, and flowers. This one says Treasured Moments, and it has kind of like a faux lace corner pocket with some lavender tucked in there, a sparkly purple bow. Here we go, some more lined paper that you can write on. Kind of has a purple marble in the background. Really pretty. Well, that is not. Sorry about that. This is journal cards. So there's multiple ephemera sheets, 4 journal cards, 3 different library cards, and 2 big labels or huge tag toppers. 2 different envelopes. So there's this beautiful one, and then this one is a vintage flower. So pretty. So you have 2 different envelopes to choose from, and then these are just ephemera sheets. So there's all different ones here. This one is the name of the journal if you wanted to tuck that somewhere. Look at how cute that is. So pretty. In all of these labels, I have to-do, thoughts, ideas today, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and weekend. And then there's a little cute ticket that I made there. So, and then this, I printed this part borderless. That's why it's up at the top. But anyway, so beautiful. So I hope that you purchase this kit, and I hope you love it. I hope you buy the Pretty in Purple one to go with it because I can't wait to see a journal made with both of them. Hopefully I'll get a chance to do that. The reason I'm not showing you a completed journal with this is because I wanted to get this video done quickly, and I have a lot of orders to get out before Christmas, so I want to do that so you all get your items. I hope that you love this. I'll see you all in the next video.